Yo guys, just spent like, I don't even know, 5, 6, 7 hours doing a market update. Here is the recap in under 2.5 minutes. The first thing that I look at is the MVRVZ score. This, I believe we will have a repeat of 2013. You can see down here, it popped all the way up, came all the way back down, created this pattern, and then just zoomed all the way back up, and Bitcoin made a new all-time high. I believe that we're doing the same thing, so I do not believe that we will hit the green zone, so it's pretty much right on track. Next thing that I look at is the Bitcoin rainbow chart. Right now we are in the hodl zone. I like it, doesn't really tell us much. If we get into the still cheap zone, obviously I'll buy more, but this is pretty much it. Up next is the crypto fear and greed index. Right now we're at 70 for this one. If we're under 10, it's an automatic buy. If we're over 75, I start to get a little bit worried. If we're over 85, I just scale out. So this doesn't really tell me much either, just that, things are looking bullish, I guess. Next up is the total market cap. This is the market cap of all of the cryptocurrency market. You can see that we came all the way up here, had a huge run up, came down to the 61.8 golden ratio, bounce, 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 and now we came all the way up here, and now we're on the 61.8 golden ratio of the move down. So this is pretty big resistance. We're gonna have a tough time getting over here. I think that we're probably gonna fall down. If we reach here, I'm definitely going to go heavy into crypto. Here we have the total market cap excluding Bitcoin. So everything other than Bitcoin, you could see that it came all the way up and came down to the 61.8, bounce, 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 just like the market cap. And now we're at the 61.8 resistance. So I'm expecting this to have a pretty tough time, and I'm expecting some sideways movement, consolidation, or downward movement. That is after it comes up and maybe retouches it like 1 or 2 more times. Here we have the Bitcoin dominance chart right here. This tells you what percentage of the market is controlled by Bitcoin. Once it breached this zone right here, once it breached this line, I was like, go into alts, go into alts, go into alts. We all went into alts, made a fuck ton of money. And now it came back down. And once it reaches the 61.8, I'm going to, scale out of my alts, and I'm going to go back into Bitcoin and USDC, but it's going to take a while to get there. Here's the Bitcoin chart. You could see that it came all the way up and then crashed down to the 61.8 golden ratio. What a surprise. Bounced all the way up, and it has not yet hit the 61.8 golden ratio of the retracement from the top to the bottom. So I'm sort of waiting for it to hit there around 49,000 for me to really get worried. You could also see that this zone right here between the 61.8 and the 38.2, this is a lot of resistance. So it's probably going to ping pong between here, 49,000 and 42,000. For Ethereum, the same exact thing happened, up, down to the 61.8, bounce, bounce, bounce. Now it's up to the 61.8 rejection, got rejected. I'm thinking this is the ABC correction, and it should fall somewhere around here, my original targets. Got to post a part 2.